perception, the all-seeing eye of connectedness. Perception breathing is directing and imaging the breath upwards. Find yourself in a comfortable, easy position. And begin to inhale from the tips of your toes, bringing the awareness up to the crown of the head. Exhale from the crown back to your toes. From your knees, inhale up to the crown of the head and exhale from the crown to the knees. From your hips, inhale up to the crown of the head and exhale crown to hips. From your lower abdomen, inhale up to the crown of the head and exhale crown to abdomen. From your solar plexus, inhale up to the crown and exhale crown to solar plexus. From your heart center, inhale up to the crown and exhale crown to heart. From your throat center, inhale up to the crown and exhale crown to throat center. From the forehead center, inhale up to the crown and exhale back to the forehead center. And then inhale from your crown and exhale from your crown. Breathe natural and allow your perception to center at the crown of your head. Perception meditation. Reflect on your relationship to the presence. We all have our unique worldview. So looking inside to see how you relate to the presence. Notice that relationship. Is it a friendship, a solidarity, an equanimity with the life force? Or is it a judgment, a superiority or inferiority? Your relationship with the presence, with life, is how you perceive and choose. Take some time to see what really serves you. If there are perceptions that no longer serve you, release them, let them go, and replace them with perceptions that really serve you, and create your relationship to life. Create your relationship to the presence, perhaps as a best friend or a lover. However is perfect for you. And naturally commune with the presence, with life, in a very deep feeling state. And know this connection, this communion.